Hey everybody, I'm just here to tell you that I am super excited. I just got a brand new Bronco from round two. Check it out, 1982 Bronco MPC reissue. Super excited about this one. Yeah, nope. We're gonna talk about, how about a 2021 Ford Bronco? First one on the block. Check that out. Authentic decals to detail your kit. Removable hardtop with smoke clear windows. Detailed chassis. Even a spare tire. Got some decals. Bronco. Car actor wrist cues. I guess that means illustrations or something. Beadlock wheels. Highly detailed interior. Approve. Parts overview. It looks like a bunch of parts. Alright. So, we have come prepared. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. Woohoo! Alright. First up, that's what everybody wants to see. That is the body. And it appears to be nice and straight, which is important. And got some red taillights, some smoke parts, and some chrome reflectors. We have a hood, separate hood. It is made in China, but it was designed in the United States. It's kind of good that it has a separate hood. Got some tires, 5 tires as they say. One sack of tree. Another sack of tree. Oh, that is the top. That's important. That goes on nice and tight. That is cool. It zips. Ooh. I guess that's the windshield pre-painted. Very nice. Approve. We have the decals sealed for our protection. And the instructions, important. The instructions. Before you begin, read this. Paint colors. Woo! And all that paint we need. Hope I got that. Exterior colors, interior colors. They recommend searching the internet. We'll do that. I don't know what color I'm gonna do mine. Probably do. We shall see. This is a very, very nicely detailed kit for something that doesn't have an engine, which is alright. I don't think you really see much of the engine. It is going to be really, really nice. I think there's just going to need to be those shows out there. I think there's going to need to be a class just for all these Broncos we're going to see. I'm really looking forward to building this and see how well this goes. I mean, this looks like a very, very well engineered kit. So let's get into these. Show some of these. Mystery of the Tree, we have the iconic grill, some kind of mud guard and bumper and tube, another bumper. Some kind of thing, a bulkhead, suspension, steering wheel, interior pieces, chassis, brakies, pipe laders, dog bone thingies, springs, shocks, console, differential maybe, dash, more suspension. Look at that, separate frame, super cool. I don't know what those things are, maybe that's part of the engine. Some seats, ooh, and they even have prancing horses on them. No, those are bucking horses, not to be confused with. If you want to paint yours red, by all means. Red tires, or wheels, derp. They have the beadlock detail, and I bet those crazy guys out there are gonna make those separate pieces. Maybe some top studio rivets, make those pretty neat. We won't be doing that for this build. Some more. That looks engine related, and transfer case, mufflator, gas tank, I approve that. Easy to paint. You know, that's neat. I like that piece. Visors and place to put your sunglasses. This is looking like a very nice kit. You know, a lot of people say Tamiya-like. First impression is quite Tamiya-like. Oh, and there's those mud flap things. No, they're not mud flaps. They're fender extenders for big tires, kind of thing. Separate pieces, easy to paint, approve. More seats, seat parts. That's like the main chassis pan. What else we got? Those must be the mirrors. Some straight pieces. More things to help you get unstuck. So, there you have it, folks. The new Bronco in 25th scale. Now, can I get it all back in the box? There's a lot of screws. We gotta get into these. Sure. Open lid. Gotta sniff the tires. Tires look good. No name. I don't understand why we get no name tires, and tire companies don't want to have advertising. I mean, I want letters on them like it's supposed to. Those are pretty fun. They're kind of like pretty stiff, firm tires. They should sand nicely, weather nicely. Pretty good. Chrome mirror faces, headlight buckets, mirror, of course those clear pieces, decals, instructions, and there you have it. Unboxing of the new, now we've reboxed it, 2021 Ford Bronco. It's going to be a fun kit. And maybe that one too, because I have all kinds of model car stories to tell. Thanks for watching.